Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So I'm not even going to do a plant haul. I'm just going to turn the camera around and I'll show you what I got in my little wagon, and I'm just going to leave it alone. But I just want to share with you, even if you're new to gardening, if you want to get started planting, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Now, I will put in the description last year's container garden that we did for under $5. We're going to do that again, and we are going to use an existing container that we had. A lot of people ask me about changing the soil. Normally in the fall, this is some annuals that we're going to pop in. I went through the soil really good with my spade. And so I only found one grub, no worms or anything like that. So what I did is just added some amendments. We added some plant tone, just a little bit of lime. And so I'm going to show you how easy it is to plant a container garden for cheap. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So fall is a super great time to find a lot of super great things on clearance. And so that's what we did today. This is just a little bit. We actually picked up some shrubs and some grasses, but like I said, that's another story. We're not going to get into that. We're just showing you how to plant some simple things for cheap. So let me just show you an example. This whole flat right here was $3. And like I tell people, you just have to know what you're looking for. For me, they do have pansies that are very leggy because they brought them out too early here in coastal Georgia. So pansies are a cool weather flower. They don't like the heat a whole bunch. They'll get very leggy and they'll go to seed. These right here, all they need is a little deadheading and a little planting. So we got this right here. You get 12 in a pack for $3. So that's 25 cents a pack. So we're going to plant these, and then we're also going to plant these white pansies right here. Now, I did pay full price for these. I think they were $1, a little over $1. But for some odd reason, it's so hard for me to find white pansies, and I wanted some. So we're going to do that. And this will eventually be like a fall/winter planter. If you want to spice it up a little bit for the holidays, go to places like the craft stores and get those planters that are in the floral section where they sell the fox plants, and get those little, I know y'all seen them, like the little glittery, twirly silver and gold things. Stick them in there and you got a Christmas planter. So let me show you the planter that we're going to plant these in. And I will add everything up at the end and we'll give you a total. But that's what I'm saying. You just have to be on the lookout. I'm always on the lookout for clearance. Just be on the lookout. And if you see it and if you can use it, go ahead and pick it up. My husband may disagree with what I'm telling you right now, but if you see it and you can use it, go ahead and pick it up. So this is the planter that we use in our summer container planting. We had I want to say it was the Queen of Hearts. It was just one type of plant in this particular one. But like I said, we've cleaned this out. We've went through the soil very good and we've amended our soil. And what I did was the straw that was there to hold in moisture, I just went ahead and turned it into here. And so if you remember, and I'll make sure that I put the video in the description, this planter right here was $2. This is actually like a beverage tub or ice beverage tub, you know, what you put the ice in. You got to make sure that you put the holes in the bottom. We lined it with coffee filters to kind of help with the soil seeping out. But so this is $2. We're reusing this potting soil right here, and so we're going to add a total of 2 white pansies. Now I did pay full price for that. Like I said, it was a little bit over $1, so we'll just say like $1.10. And then we're going to add 3 of these pansies right here, and 12 in here. They were $3, so that's 75 cents. So let's just say 220 plus 75 cents is, Lord, oh, wait a minute, y'all. For somebody who's an accountant, oh, my mind just went blank. Hold on. 220 plus 75, so 285. 285 for the flowers that are in here. We're reusing the soil. We already had the garden tone and a little bit of lime. So again, everything is under $5. We'll just round it like that, because if you have to buy some soil, that may make the price go up because we're reusing ours. So let me go ahead. We're going to get these planted, and y'all know how I am. Instant gratification, you're not going to get that now, but just go ahead, let them get started, let them get growing. Now these right here, we're going to clean up a little bit, clean up the ones where the blooms are already spent, like this one, so that they don't go to seed. We don't want them going to seed, so we're going to go ahead and clean those up. We're going to put 3 across here, 1 right here, 1 right here at the front, and they're going to grow together so beautifully. So let me go ahead, and we're going to go ahead and plant these, and I will let you see the end result. Okay, so just that quick, everything is planted. We're just going to put a little bit of the straw mulch on there. I noticed that this batch, once again, has grass seed, so we'll just have to keep that pulled. So we're going to put the grass, we're going to put the straw on there because this is going to help hold in the moisture. The soil was already moist when I started, so I'm just going to give it just a light, nice watering, and then we're just going to watch it grow. And like I said, just like I did with my fall planter, if you want to put something in there until it starts growing all together, especially for the holidays, those little, I forgot what they call them, like plant picks or something, those would be perfect. So I hope this encourages you to go out, look for those deals. You don't have to spend a lot, and you still can create something so beautiful. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you are not a subscriber, we will absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap that bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.